Chengde is home to many fascinating and beautiful tourist hotspots for foreigners to get stuck into, including mountains shaped like hats, giant Buddhas, sizzling street food and lots of artsy hangout factories as well. Let's dive into our favourite things to do in Chengde. One of our favourite things to do in Chengde is visit Monk's Hat Mountain, or Feng in Chinese. The mountain is a particularly unique shape and it has many beautiful scenic hiking trails which you can get lost in for hours upon end. During spring and autumn we particularly recommend it because the weather and the blue skies typically make a fantastic pairing. Bonus tip for Monk's Hat Mountain, you can also take a cable car to get some absolutely stunning views of not just the mountain but the city itself as well. Our second favourite thing to do in Chengde is visit Puning Temple and the Big Buddha, Puning Si in Chinese. The Buddha stands at a jaw-dropping 22 meters tall, which is one of China's largest indoor wooden Buddhas and is a must-see in Chengde. If you wish to go along, of course you can drop by yourself, but everything is better shared, right? So why not go along with your teacher in Chengde or Zhongwen, who is our program coordinator in Chengde. If you want to find out more about studying with Zhongwen and our teachers in Chengde, link is in the description. No trip to Chengde is complete without visiting our third favourite thing to do in Chengde, the mountain resort, or Bishu Shanzhuang in Chinese. So the mountain resort is a giant imperial getaway where Qing emperors used to go in the Qing dynasty to escape the heat in Beijing, as Chengde is 1 hour north of Beijing but normally significantly cooler in the summer months. The mountain resort includes lots of lakes, temples and rolling hills. It's a beautiful place, great on a postcard, and top tip for you as well, you can get an annual ticket for just a little bit more than a day ticket, so you can actually go back multiple times during your stay if you're in Chengde for more than a few weeks. Number 4 is the Chengde Cultural and Creative Park. Chengde's Cultural and Creative Park is a hidden gem in Chengde that not enough people know about. The park is an old factory turned artsy hangout with lots of local cafes, lots of restaurants, great places to get street food, and also live music and bars and places to drink as well. It's the perfect place to take lots of pictures, chill with other students or your teachers and just relax and have a good time. And the final one is the Potala Palace, or Putuo Zhongzheng Zhimiao in Chinese. Come and check out Chengde's very own little Potala Palace, which is inspired by the much bigger version in Tibet. It's a stunning blend of Han and Tibetan architecture right in the heart of the city in Chengde. The palace is big, it's very colourful and it's full of history, and it's one you absolutely cannot miss. Bonus points, now we want to talk about the food in Chengde. We mentioned 5 things, but we just wanted to give you a little extra. The food in Hebei province is absolutely fantastic. You can start your day or maybe the weekend at one of the local markets in Chengde, of which there are many, and you can find great treats. One of my favourites is the jianbing, which is from nearby Tianjin. It's a great snack. You can also find lots of skewers, you'll find porridge, you'll find fried things, something for everybody. And vegans and vegetarians, don't worry, Chengde has got your back. There's loads of options for you as well. Just check with our staff members if you're unsure. In Chengde, there is genuinely something delicious on every corner. So with that said, see you in Chengde very soon. Bye!